No two businesses do hybrid work in the same way. I believe there's a fundamental difference between businesses that offer what I call basic hybrid work and the ultimate in hybrid work. Doing hybrid work well means organisations understand their goals and objectives. This can have enormous benefits for businesses as it puts employee well-being front and centre. At Teleware, we're passionate about hybrid working, and that's because we've been helping businesses work in a more mobile and flexible way for over 30 years. We realised that customers needed help with their hybrid work strategy. We developed the Ultimate Hybrid Workshop, which provides a framework to enable customers to learn about where they're at in their hybrid journey and to provide valuable information to enable them to implement the ultimate hybrid work in their organisation. Our framework has been developed to enable customers to get some clarity about where they're at, to define their goals and objectives, and to understand the potential that the ultimate hybrid work can bring to their organisation. We then use this information to develop a personalised hybrid work roadmap. This document provides rich insight and valuable information to enable that organisation to improve their hybrid work offering and to provide much better employee experiences.
I've thoroughly enjoyed today's workshop at Teleware. I've absolutely loved it. I can't believe how much I've learned in such a short space of time about the different technologies that are available out there to make hybrid working and working from home more interactive, more collaborative, and just more enjoyable for everybody. I feel so excited because I've learned there's so many different things now that our business can implement to make hybrid working better for the future.
We really enjoyed the workshop. It was nice to be able to take time away from the business to look back at what we do and to see how our hybrid working benefits and hinders sometimes our employee collaboration and productivity. I value being able to look at what we do at the moment. There's places that I think we work really well, but actually talking that through, particularly with an employee in the room, highlighted to me some of the areas that we need to improve, and there's systems that we might be able to use to do that. There's lots of things that we can take away and improvements that we can put in place with the recommendations from Teleware.